Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at Baselworld 2018 with Breitling, looking at a very interesting limited edition watch. This is the Navitimer reference 806-1959 re-edition. This is a relatively good, authentic homage to a watch produced in 1959. It is about 41 millimeters wide in steel. It has an in-house made movement. It is a version of the BR01 but manually wound, and it looks fantastic. The Navitimer has always been about having a rotating slide rule bezel, as well as having a chronograph. The particular design of the dial, of course, evokes today's Navitimers, but is inspired by the original from 1959. Price is $8,600, and you can see more on aBlogtoWatch. Thanks.